2007, the fire service in the UK attended over 800,000 fires and false alarm incidents. In this period, fires cost businesses millions of pounds from loss of income and damage to buildings and property. Over 450 deaths and 13,000 injuries were caused as a result of fire in this period. Smoke and toxic gases can be as deadly as heat and flames. In fact, far more people die from carbon monoxide poisoning from smoke inhalation than from burns from the heat of fire. Before we go on to see how we can prevent fire and what to do if we encounter a fire, we must first understand exactly what fire is. Fire is the heat and light energy released during a chemical reaction, in particular a combustion reaction. For this reaction to take place, we need three things. We need fuel, oxygen, and heat. And these three things are referred to as the fire triangle. If there is enough fuel, oxygen, and heat all together, it will result in a fire. If you remove one of the elements, you can eventually kill a fire. And if all these elements stay apart, the fire will never even occur. If we think about it, in most everyday situations, we have two of these three elements present. For example, we might be storing paper in a storeroom, providing a fuel. And in this room, a window may be open, providing an unlimited amount of oxygen. So if we were to add heat, we have a very high risk of a fire occurring. This heat could come from a radiator, a match, and perhaps even in extreme cases, direct sunlight. Because more often than not we are only one step away from a potential fire, it is important for you to be able to identify all the sources of fuel, heat and oxygen in your workplace, and above all be sure that all these three elements are never in close proximity.